Have you ever noticed how draining it feels to stay connected to the wrong people? Or sometimes the hardest person to face is the one in the mirror. Well, hi, I'm Parashan B. Hall, and welcome to the Healing Culture series. In these culture conversations, we're going to talk about the tough but freeing lessons that lead to healthier boundaries, deeper healing, and stronger culture. In episode 1, we'll explore why it's better to be alone than stuck in bad company. In episode 2, we'll look at how alone time, it's not punishment, but preparation. It's a space for self-connection and self-reflection. And in episode 3, we'll face the man in the mirror and get real about how sometimes the toxic ways we need to heal are our own. This series is about transformation, not just for workplaces and communities, but starting inside of us. Because real culture change always begins with the one in the mirror. So if you're ready to rebuild culture from the inside out, subscribe and join me for the Healing Culture series. And together, we'll do the work of healing culture, one conversation at a time.